Guys, today I want you to change your lock screen or home screen of your phones or tabs. I want to see what happens if I don't give up. Do not give your past the power to define your future. Now, I want you to pause this video and take the screenshot of the codes as well as this particular BTR schedule which ma'am has given. It's okay even if you are not following BTR or you are from any other platform. Just take the screenshot of this particular timetable so that you should stay consistent. Hi, I am Bhanu. So if you have come up to this line in this video, then I think you may be the subscriber or you may be new to this video. I am going to be in par with BTR new schedule which was given today itself in the YouTube by Zainab ma'am. I hope I would be accountable and also trustworthy at the same time. This video is made for those who are gonna start BTR schedule from day after tomorrow. I want you to strictly do this along with me. So what are we gonna do actually? It's like you can take it as a virtual tuition. You are getting it for free, of course. So you are gonna wake up with me at around 5 o'clock in the morning. In the end, we are gonna discuss some PYQs, and after that, I am gonna remind you about the custom modules every day in the community section of my YouTube channel. I also do everyday vlogs so that it will help you to stay in that competitive spirit, and that's how you use my YouTube channel. Hope it helps and you are not alone in this journey.